Hey everybody, so I don't know why I've never used the mount that's literally right there in front of me that the 360 camera was sitting on, but that's where you guys are sitting right now, which frees up my hands. So there's a few things that are going on. As you can see, there's going to be a video attached to the end of this one talking about me going back into buying electronics, phones, laptops, going back to my old hustle. If you go back to my very early videos before Swift, you'll see that I actually owned an IT electronic company where I purchased a lot of that equipment and also recycled a lot of the equipment as well. And we're talking about a lot of weight. Not going to go to that extent, but going to go back into the buying, selling, and yeah, having some fun there. Also going to go back to mentoring. You know, my girlfriend's going to be getting out the truck and is going to be going solo, and I'm going to be picking up a student here soon. Don't have anyone from YouTube. So if you're watching this video and you want to be on my truck and you are ready to go, message me, okay? If not, it's probably just going to be somebody down at Lancaster. But I don't know. You guys will know about the same time I know, or you guys will see the video. And then, you know, talking about mentoring, you know, a lot of y'all might not know, but I do have Patreon, okay? Now, I'm going to go in there, I'm going to change some of the membership levels. I'm going to put in there a section that if you want to call me one-on-one, there's going to be a phone number in there that, you know, if you want to, you know, reach out to me and talk to me for a little bit, you know, I don't know, maybe a couple hours each month or something, you know, it's going to be there. You know, mind you, I'm not going to sit here with a, you know, time clock or something, but a lot of y'all want to talk to me or ask me a lot of questions or whatever one-on-one, and I just don't have enough time to talk to everybody, so I got to try to figure out how to make it somewhat fair. And then also I get a lot of people who are asking me questions on like how to, you know, how to be a mentor, or, you know, how to, you know, try to make the top dollar, things like that. So I'm going to kind of put it in there, you know, that, and you know what, it's going to help support, you know, my channel. It's going to help support me and the plans that I have going. So even if you don't want any of that, if you just want to donate, you know, give me $1 once a month, that'd be fantastic. If not, hey, there's going to be a lot of free content. Still, you know, that's not going to change. But I think I am going to push my Patreon just a little bit. You know, YouTube does pay me, but not a whole lot. But you know, yeah, it is what it is, right? But as I start to buy laptops, cell phones, and other electronics, you guys will be able to, you know, sit here and kind of watch along. I'm going to give you guys my eBay account. I forgot to look it up. I have the name somewhere, but I will get that. You guys can go there, buy the stuff. And again, that would also help support me, but you guys could also grab a really awesome deal. And might run a few specials. You know, if you're a YouTube subscriber, that you guys can, you know, I don't know. You know, there's a lot that can be done, but a lot that is still yet to be, you know, found out. But, you know, with me staying here at the Walmart and now having, you know, an apartment, also got a garage. You guys probably see a lot of video inside the garage space. It's allowing me to kind of do some other stuff. Also, there's a fairly nice kitchen, so you guys will be able to see some cooking videos. I'm going to get my tripod and stuff. So there's going to be a lot of really cool things happening. But yeah, going to get some hustle, and we're going to try to build my monthly check. Right now I can hit 10,000 as a mentor. I've not hit that, you know, team driving, but we're going to start hitting higher numbers, and we're going to work on some of my other hustles, trying to hit that higher amount. And let's see what we can close 2019 off. Still doing the taxes for 2018, but once all that is said and done, that information to a point will be posted and shared. Because, you know, like some of you guys have been saying, you know, I'm very honest, straightforward, and blunt on, you know, every part or every aspect. You know, those that have been watching or have gone back to see the beginning videos of Swift know that you guys are on a journey with me. You know, going from where I was, which was not a good, I mean, if you go back, you'll see what I'm talking about, to where I'm going, okay? It's a lot more than just trucking. So, hang on tight, sit and watch. There's a lot of really awesome content that's coming. So, thank you. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.
Hey guys, so as you can see, it is March the 22nd. And I'm going to go back to my buying game like I did with my business. If you guys were watching some of my really old videos, you guys will see I had a computer retail shop recycling facility. I'm not going to do the recycling, but I'm going to get back into doing the buying and reselling. So, got a little bit here. So, if you have a high-end laptop or phone or something like that, and you need to sell it, and you want a better price than the pawn shop, hit me up. I pay cash.